Hi, welcome back to another unboxing. This one is really special because it's from NSE Tropicals, and if you are a part of the online plant community, then you for sure know Enid from NSE Tropicals and know how amazing she grows her plants, how great they always look, how rarely she updates her site, and you've watched her Insta stories and just like drooled at how good and how many rare plants she has. But anyway, she recently did a website update and I was lucky enough to snag one of my wish list plants, and I am so happy to see what it looks like. So let's get right into it. It has come in a slightly smushed, thank you USPS, but I am confident that it's going to be okay because why wouldn't it be okay? It's Enid of NSE Tropicals. Did I mention that I got a new, after so many unboxings, with me being mad that I couldn't find my box cutter, finally got a new one. Okay. We're in. So she's got a couple of peanuts, styrofoam situation items in there. Go. Beautifully packed by Enid. Thank you, Enid, if you're watching. It's taped to the box. All right, we got them free. It feels like, oh, I've seen other people's unboxing. Enid ships in small containers, so it's not bare root. I'm calling her Enid as if she's my friend, but I guess she's really everybody's friend, isn't she? Everybody in the plant community. All right, it's dripping a little soil. Well, not dripping, but a little soil is falling, so just gonna put it down to get into it. Okay. This is a philodendron gloriosum. Look at that. Look at those velvety leaves.
This is beautiful. What is that, velvet?
Oh my gosh. You are so pretty. It looks like there's another leaf coming in as well. Like I said, Enid ships in these plastic containers, and it looks like she's just put a damp paper towel to keep the soil in, you know, from going everywhere. And she's even provided a nice little tag. NSE Tropicals. It's branded. I see you in it, girl. Brand your stuff. So yeah, there is a leaf coming in, and I've got two nice big leaves here that have traveled pretty well. This one's a little bent, but I'm sure it'll pop right back out once it has had a chance to, you know, realize it's not in a box anymore. This guy looks pretty good as well. So happy. Obviously, we can't look at the roots because it's in a pot, but you know, it's Enid, y'all. So I'm sure it's fine. Let me give you a close-up of the leaves. Ooh, look at this one. I am so excited to have ticked this wish list plant off of my wish list. Enid did not disappoint. These leaves are gorgeous. So let's talk about care. From what I've heard, they can be slow growers, so we got to be patient with the beautiful gloriosum. But you know, some well draining soil. Don't leave the roots soggy. Like most tropical plants, they prefer a little bit higher humidity and bright indirect light. No harsh sun because we don't want to burn those beautiful velvety leaves. No crispiness. Yeah, and just love on it and squeeze on it, and you know, tell him he or she is beautiful. It, you know, non-gender
conformity. Thanks.
So yeah, I am really happy with this plant. I was only able to get the one from Enid because, again, you guys don't play. When it's a plant update, y'all are on it. But I'm super happy with this one. So glad to add it to my collection. It was definitely a wish list plant. So yeah, it was a really quick video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you will come back for more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.